Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe. I want to do like a quick get ready with me. I also want to try some tricks that I seen on TikTok as well. I'm gonna apply my makeup on here with you guys, and then I'll probably leave a little something right here so you guys can join me on TikTok to see if the little trick worked. So what I do is I put my makeup right here. My goal is to use up all the makeup I have everywhere. So it's to use it or get rid of it. Get rid of it, like sell it, anything. So I'm in the process of using what I have, and I put when I plan on using until it's used up in this, and then I go through something else. I've really been seeing a lot of foundations that I want to try, but I'm not going to do it. Don't hold me to it. I said I'm going to use up everything. So it's about 2-3 foundations I've been using at one time on the same like face. I shaved my face yesterday, you guys, and my eyebrow is hurting. I don't know if that's the cause of it. But let me moisturize my face.
This is insane. Oh my God. We're gonna try this. I have my glue on my lash strip already. Let's let it dry for a second. She did only do a corner, but I want a full lash. Okay, sitting it on the lower lashes. Wait, it's like slipping. My tweezers won't let it go. Okay, hold on. It's on the lower lashes. Y'all just saw that, right? And because these are underneath, if you put on a good glue, you'd be able to keep these for at least a week. I can't believe that worked. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this.